I have the GoPro Hero 12 and I'll be showing you how to set up or how to install the media mod. Now, this media mod usually helps with attaching accessories to the camera. You have the Type-C port, you have the 3.5mm. So to insert this into this, then the first thing you need to do is open the door, the battery door. So just open that door and you want to take off that door. Okay, and you can take off the door easily. After opening, just pull it out like that. Okay, so you can see this little line goes into this piece of metal here, and you can just lift it up at this angle, just pull it out and it's gonna come off. Okay, now of course you can put it back in future when you need it, like that. So it's something that's designed to be able to come off. Anyway, once you remove it like that, then you want to grab your media mod. This is the top part of the media mod, the part with a power button that looks like the one on a GoPro. So what you want to do is go to the side and open the door. And the door is opened the same way you open the GoPro door. So just pull this down and then the door is gonna come open. Now the reason you're removing this door is because we won't be using it in the media mode. Okay, so you can just keep this in a safe place and make sure you don't lose it. Just keep it somewhere. So now the next thing you want to do is grab your GoPro. You can see inside the GoPro is this Type-C port, and that Type-C port goes into the Type-C connector in the media mode. Okay, so you want to just place it like this. Okay, and it goes in like this. Okay, so just slide it in there. The connector will align with the Type-C port automatically, and then you can just push it in, and once you push it in, you can now lock the door. Now before I lock the door, I'm just going to show you the power button for the GoPro. There's going to be another power button on the media mode, and once you close it shut, you'll also have a power button on the media mode that's going to replace the button that's usually at the top of the GoPro. So that is basically how to set it up. Now with the Hero 12, obviously there's going to be space here in the media mode that allows you to also remove the stands of the GoPro and connect your connectors there. Now the media mode has a microphone. It also has these hot shoes where you can plug in extra lights, an extra microphone, or whatever it is you need to plug in there. Okay, that is basically how to install the media mode on your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching and good luck.